Okay, so recap on what we did last week before we left. We were talking about periodic motions. And so we were talking about how you can calculate the values even if you don't see the full model, right? And that's because you can recognize the pattern of the function. And we stopped with talking about it from a table perspective. Now we're going to look at it um, from a graph perspective. Now we're going to talk about a table perspective. So example 4 is from a table. So our function is written in table form. We have x equals 1, output is -2, x equals 3, output is 0, x equals 4, output is 3, x equals 7, and the output is 2. Okay. The graph of h is a periodic with a period of 5. Values of h are shown at the selected values of x. Find the following values. Okay. So we're looking for h of -2. Well, clearly h of -2 is not on our table, right? So what we're going to look at is to see how else can we calculate it. So on the graph method, we talked about finding the remainder and adding it on, right? Here it's pretty much the same thing, except we're going to talk about how many periods there are in sense of, I don't want to do this. Just adding or subtracting the periods that we have, okay, to get there. So when we look here, we have h of -2. So h of -2 is to the left, right? So h of -2 is to the left. So in this case, we're actually going to be subtracting because we're going to the left. So we're looking for h of, and it's only going to take one period because -2 and 5. When we look at it, it's only going to take one period. So that's going to be -2. No, I need my remainder. Sorry. Oh, sorry. The remainder is 2 goes in 5 twice. No. Yes. That's not what I want. I'm having a brain fart. Pause. The remainder is 1, but that's not what I wanted to do. Is it? Yes. Yes, I'm there. But I need to be positive. -2 minus. Yes. Nope, it wasn't. It had a brain fart. All right. So our 8. I know what I'm trying to